Welcome to the yet another video with Simple Trader. In this video, I am going to share the P&L of one particular small account which was dedicated to the option buying. I'll be sharing the profit and loss for the last 1 week, which is end of July 2022. I'll be sharing what are the trades which I took there and what percentage the returns were gained in that particular account. Also, by end of this video, I'll going to share what percentage risk I'll keep for all the trades for the whole week. So I recommend you to watch this video completely so that you can get some idea about option buying in the stocks. Let's get started. Let me open a Kotak Securities. All right, everything is here. Okay, I just need to wait for okay, so look at this video. I'll go for the dashboard and I'll show you the margins available here for the equities and the futures and for also for option margin. So it has around 3,53,480 rupees. So let's go to the trades which I took in the week of July. End of this July. So let me go to report and statement, realized, gross line. Okay, let me choose to go. Okay, so here you can see the 5 trades was traded: HDFC Life Insurance, Hero Motorcorp, Hindustan Petrol, IndusInd Bank and Tata Motors. All the trades were shared in STPG. I'll give the link also in the description. You can check that later. So let me open a HDFC Life. Okay, look at this. There was the buy was happened for 12 rupees and the sell was around 20 as an average. So let me quickly go to the Hero Motorcorp. The expiry was all the expiries were I took for the August expiry because I was traded these trades on end of July. I cannot handle the current month. So in the Hero Motorcorp, the buying value was 51. It was just a one lot, and the sell value was 99, almost 100. And let me go to Hindustan Petrol. So the buy value was 8.5 and the sell was an average of 12. So let me again go for a IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank was a very good trade. Let me open up that particular script. Look at this. The buying value was 18.8 and the sell average was almost 30. So this was the biggest trade in this the entire week. And the Tata Motors. What happened? No, so when I gave the call in the STPG, the SL was hit immediately, but the setup was still remained there and it reversed immediately. So I took a trade one more time. And that time this target were reached. So and this trade was failure trade in the STPG, but I took a re-entry and I made a profit out of it. So to put together with only 5 trades, it actually made a profit of 1,29,000 rupees, which is almost 60% in just a week. I know I cannot expect the same kind of return every week, but still I'll try to make half of it. That would be more than enough for me to survive for the long run. And one more thing, you can look at the opening balance, which is on July 26th. It was almost around 2,15,000. This was the margin email. I'm just sharing here for the PDF. And coming to the risk management, all the trades were having the maximum risk of 5% of the total capital. So if you want to get more reward, you have to go and keep like slighter higher risk. So this is a disclaimer I want to share with you. So this is not the return which made by only risking 1% is 2%. It is about almost around 5% of the risk which I keep for all the trades. So I increased the risk, the reward was increased. Why I increased the risk? Because I know these trades were the setup was entirely good, so I expected the big movement to happen. So I risk little high than usual. Also, this account is not a primary account. There is a different account for trading a futures, and there is a different account for trading a Nifty options and Bank Nifty options. So this is only for a stock option buying, which I always plan to exit all the lots at target one, because I want to utilize the momentum which is happening in the market for the 1 or 2 days. I want to exit quickly, as this is the whole idea in this system or in this whole trading account. Maybe in the coming days and the coming months, I'll be sharing a more video about this particular account. You can stay tuned, you can subscribe for this channel, and you can always wait for the next video. And also I recommend you to watch the other videos which is in the other playlist, where you can learn more about the logical trading system. And if you want to know more about what is STPG and how these trades were generated, I can put the link in the description. You can join there, and you can always trade along with me. As I every time say, together we grow. Thank you.